Hi everyone, it's Jean from Gallagher Domanski. Today I'm going to talk to you again about the EB-2 NIW green card and one particular aspect of it that I've noticed that people leave out when they're self-petitioning for this green card. So I recently wrote an article on my website, gallagherdomansky.com, on refiling a case on an EB-2 NIW. And so if you want to read that, you can go on the website, gallagherdomansky.com. And in the article, I mentioned that it's difficult when somebody applies by themselves, self-petitions for the EB-2 NIW, and then they get an RFE, and then they're not sure how to respond, and then they hire an attorney to respond. It's harder for an attorney to save the case if the original petition was deficient. So without having to start again and just do it all over again. So sometimes it ends up where it has to get refiled, where the attorney starts all over again. So I wanted to point out, I thought it would be good to do some videos, portions of my petition letters on the EB-2 NIW, just so you could see what I have noticed in the past when I've seen someone's RFE and they've come to me to ask me to respond, what it tends to be missing. So with that, let me share my screen. Okay. What I've noticed is that the people forget to start off by establishing that they meet the criteria for the EB-2 visa, period, without the national interest waiver. So it's good to include the law. I mean, that's what attorneys do. We do a heading, and then we give the law, and then we give how the facts that are related to the law for the client. So to establish qualification for the EB-2, you need to have an advanced degree and be a member of the profession. So if you don't have an advanced degree, though, then you see here, or their equivalent. So before you even get to down here with the 3 prongs on Dhanasar, the substantial merit, national importance, and you can see on my channel, I have videos on these. Well positioned to advance the proposed endeavor, and third, on balance, be beneficial to waive the job offer and labor certification requirements. So before you even get to that, you need to do the advanced degree professional. And if you don't have an advanced degree, then it's part of the law again. These shall be made available to qualified immigrants who are members of their professions holding advanced degrees or their equivalent. So this person has a PhD, so I'm doing advanced degree. If they had a bachelor's degree and 5 years experience, preferably 10, I would put advanced degree equivalent. And if they were trying to qualify on extraordinary ability, then I would just put, I wouldn't put advanced degree. Professional here, I would put extraordinary ability, professional, and then talk about their extraordinary ability, the little synopsis, and member of their profession. So, and here, so I have what he has, the degree, and where he has it from. And, you know, there are times when I'll mention something about the degree. So, the dissertation, I might mention, if it's a really good school, I might mention that it's in the top 10% of schools for computer science. Or you can look on, it's niche, but I think it's niche.com. If it's not, it's niche.org. But you can look for rankings of your school and see where it falls for your major. So you can put some things about that. And then he also, obviously, he has a PhD, so he has a master's. And I put his BA as well. And then I relate the fact that he has this degree and he's a member of the profession. Okay, so that's all I really want to talk about right now. With this, there'll be other videos to expand on the petition. But one thing I do want to point out before I close is that for the degree, if it's from a non-US school, you need to get a course evaluation, a degree evaluation that can be course by course, or you can just get something that says it's equivalent to the US degree. But so you're going to need your transcript. So if you are outside the United States, or you went to school outside the United States, you should get a copy of your transcript so you can supply it to one of the services that does the degree evaluation for you. So if you want to ask me in the comments, I can tell you some places that will evaluate your degree. I'm not affiliated with any of them, so I'm not endorsing them. I'm just be happy to share some that I know about that other clients of mine have used. So anyway, so this is not legal advice. Obviously, this is a YouTube channel, so you're not my client, you're a viewer. So I just want to make that clear. Sometimes I forget to say that on videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks, everyone.